everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make DIY lip balm. So first I'm taking some petroleum jelly, also known as Vaseline, and I'm not really using a measurement. You can use about a 1/4 cup. I'm just estimating about this, and I'm just taking a spoon. I'm scooping this into a microwave safe container, and just take about a 1/4 and stick in the microwave. And I'm putting it for minute intervals till it's liquidy. And make sure you grab a towel because it's going to be hot, and just mix it up after a minute. And stick it back in for another minute and do this about 2 more times. While that is microwaving, I have some small containers I'm using to hold my lip balm in. I'm just going to take these out of the package to get it ready. And that's how they look. And then I'm using blue raspberry lemonade Kool-Aid, and I didn't know that. I thought this blue raspberry lemonade was blue, but I guess it's white. So if you'd like yours colored, use a colored Kool-Aid. And once your Vaseline is liquidy, just open up your Kool-Aid, and you're going to pour your Kool-Aid into your Vaseline, and then just take your spoon and mix it all up, and make sure you mix it till all of your Kool-Aid dissolves. Like I said, mine is white, but if you'd like a color, just add a colored Kool-Aid like red or tropical punch or whatever you'd like. And I'm just pouring this into my containers, and I only made enough Vaseline for 2. You can do whatever you like. You can also add sugar to your Vaseline mixture before you pour it in, and it makes it a little more sweet because Kool-Aid is bitter if it doesn't have sugar, but that is how you do it. And then let these sit till they solidify for about an hour or 2. And once they are dry, they should be like this, and you can just apply it to your lips. So that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe below. See you guys in my next video. Bye.